Hello, welcome back. This is Rhonda. A lot of people I'm seeing are calling me Belle, and I really love that because I've really always hated my name, and Belle was one of my favorite. My little dog, she's passed on now, a little miniature dachshund. Her name was Isabel, and I called her Belle. I called her Sweetums. I called her all kinds of nicknames because she was just the sweetest little thing. I had people tell me she was my doggy soulmate. So people that call me Belle, I just think that is so cool that I want to change my name to Belle. So I still think that when I say that, I should say this is Rhonda because that is my given name, and I feel like I would be lying to you or just not telling the whole truth. I'm not really sure, but that is my given name. But I really think I might start going by a nickname Belle. I mean, I've had a bunch of people call me Belle on here, and I just think that's so cool that maybe I will start using that as my nickname. But today I have, oh yeah, please, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and please click the thumbs up button for me. I know we all seem to forget. I've seen people that have like 300 and something thousand people subscribers, and it seems like maybe 60 hit the thumbs up button. It just seems like something that we all seem to forget. I hit the thumbs up button on all of them because that is actually my way of knowing that I've watched that video in its entirety. When I see the thumbs up button, or yeah, I think that's what they call it, thumbs up, the thumbs up button, I know that if I've clicked it, then I have watched that video in its entirety, because I have so many of y'all that do channels that I have subscribed to for a lot of people for years and tried to support the smaller channels, and I know the watch time is so important. So when I click the thumbs up button, that means I have finished that video in its entirety, and I can go on to the next video, so that I'm supporting all of my favorite YouTubers, all the smaller ones that I like to try to support, and I know, and it benefits everybody. So I always hit the thumbs up button to help you and to help me to know that I have already watched that video completely. So right now I have my Splendies bag. Y'all probably remember it always comes in this plastic here. I'm going to look it up and see if there's still a deal, but usually these are, can't remember, but I think it's $14.95 a month, and you get 3 pair of really, really nice undies. And I think it's like $2 more if you need like extra large and above, I think, or maybe it's double X, I don't know, but if you need the bigger ones, it's like $2 more, and that makes sense because I've done my own business for many years, and I know in fabric it takes more. If you need to make a bigger size, it's going to take more, so that makes total sense to me. And let's see, oh, I'm going to look and see and leave a link below in the details description if I find a code. I think it was June 50 that you could use and get 50% off, so I'll leave the link below to go to, and the code if it is still available. So for something like $7.50, you get 3 pair of really, really nice undies, and you'll see these are really nice. These, I'm not really sure of all the details. This is, I think, my 3rd month of getting them, and I just really like them. This first pair is retailed for $12, and look how comfy those look. They're see-through in the back, but the front, it just looks really nice and comfy, and they say that Splendies on the front. I get the full cut that's another thing. You can get the full cuts. You can choose to get, there's 3 different options. You can get the full cut, you can get all thongs, or you can get a mixture, which is usually like 2 full cuts and 1 pair of thongs from other unboxings that I've seen. So I got that pair. Then I got this one. This one feels like really, really smooth. This one retails for $12 too. This is, wish you could feel that. I mean, just really, you can see it just really, really soft. And this one's really got a good stretch. It's got the cute little bow in the front. And these are the full cut too. I get the full ones. I don't really like thongs. I've thought about getting a couple pair for like the days that I'm wearing pants or something that you don't want to see lines, but I haven't gotten any yet. So I got that pair. And then I got this pair, which also retails for $12. I think these are so cute. Let me find the thing here. There's a front. Is that the front? Yeah, here's the front. So here's the front on these. Look how cute. They got the little ruffles around the legs. I know as you get older, a lot of people don't worry about the cute panties or cute bras, but I'm not there yet because I still really like lacy, pretty lacy panties and bras. And so there's that one. So we got this pair for $12 and this one for $12. That was retailed for $12, and then this one retailed for $12. So those were the 3 that I got. And all of those, like I said, I'll leave the link, but I'm pretty sure it was like $14.95 for 3 pair, and I'm almost positive it's June 50 that you can get 50% off of the subscription, which makes the first bag something like $7.50. You can't beat $7.50 for those. You've just seen how nice they were. That's a really good deal. So there is the Splendies. I will leave the information below in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Please click the thumbs up button for me, and I love you guys. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.